Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna give you a brief history of Benny Mayengani. Who is Benny Mayengani? Benny Mayengani's real name is Bennett Keto Baloyi. He was born in 1978, 11 January, in Shawela village in Zanin, South Africa. Benny Mayengani draws aspiration from the late Tsonga disco icon Peter Tinet. He broke into the music industry following the release of his debut album Tiba Ben in 2011. However, it was his second album titled Dogodela Mayengani which cemented him a place in the Tsonga music industry. The album sparked controversy, with people in general concluding that he was taking a swipe at the fellow Tsonga artist Dogodela Thomas Chauke, who had just received an honorary doctorate from the University of Venda. Benny Mayengani is known for his collaboration with Mr. Jambatani, Prince Rangani, Josh Rimani, Nabana Mandoda, and Lipopo Poison, which dominated the Tsonga music industry for a few years. They then separated in 2013. Benny Mayengani went on to achieve success with Prince Rangan, taking a diss at his former partners. He has won many awards, including Best Tsonga Male Song of the Year, to mention a few. He is the first traditional artist to fill up a stadium. He was accused by Cassper Nyovest that he used his trademark affix to fill up or hashtag fill up. However, investigation later revealed that Cassper did not own the trademark. Benny Mayengani is also involved in politics. He was a member of the Economic Freedom Fighters. He became the first Tsonga musician to be an official at the Johannesburg Chamber as a PR council of the city of Johannesburg, accounted by the EFF. In 2013. On 7 October 2019, Benny Mayengani quit as the PR council of the EFF. On February 2020, Limpopo chairperson Stanley Mathabata of the African National Congress officially welcomed Benny Mayengani to the African National Congress. Fellas, that was the brief history of Benny Mayengani. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.